Welcome. You are about to enter Lean Factory School. Are you looking to reach your full potential and live an experience of personal growth and professional development? This is exactly what happens every day at Lean Factory School. In our classrooms, you will be able to experience the new opportunities of Industry 4.0. Learn how to turn strategy into action. Improve processes thanks to experience-based training. Boost your creativity. Find new solutions to long-standing problems. Achieve a certification of excellence with our programs featuring a variety of modules and levels. Discover our in-class and online complete training offer. A unique school where together we can reach your goals. Lean Factory School.